Gia Customs, where the cool kids go. We got action figures and a dash of flair, custom paint jobs that'll make you stare. Toys on the table, colors in the air, 3D dreams printed with care. G.I. Customs, it's a wild ride, paint in the past with the future by side. G.I. Customs toys come alive. Sit back, relax, it's where fun vibes thrive. We review the classics, we make them shine, adding a twist to your favorite design. Joe's in the spotlight with a custom touch. You've never seen toys look this much. Retro feels with a modern spin, every detail's where the magic begins. It's not just toys, it's a lifestyle too. G.I. Customs is a place for you. G.I. Customs, it's a wild ride, paint in the past with the future by side. G.I. Custom toys come alive. Sit back, relax, it's where fun vibes thrive.
Hey, G.I. Customs here. Just wanted to get out in front of this video, thank everyone for all the views and subscribers, and to announce a giveaway going on that I'm going to have starting today through when I get 1,000 subscribers. So my goal is to get 1,000 subscribers. When I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a live video, and during that live video, I'll be giving away the items I have back here. So I've got some different Valiverse stuff, got the hands, the heads, the winter ghillie suit, but then also have my favorite from when I was a kid, G.I. Joe wetsuit. It's one of my first customs you may have seen during the Savage Land podcast or some of my posts. This is the actual one, obviously, from Hasbro. And then I also have the Halo parajumper over there. So I'll be giving all those away to people at the live video. But make sure to subscribe. Make sure to put the notifications on so you see all the videos coming out. I know there's a ton of you out there that don't subscribe yet. Jump in. Let's see if we can get to 1,000. And then we'll go from there if there's any more giveaways in the future as we hit different benchmarks. But I really appreciate everyone that is tuning in every week to the videos I put out, to, you know, comments and likes and all that. Really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the series of the Tomahawk. So sit back and relax and enjoy me wrapping this up. That's a lot of parts. What have I gotten myself into? Red. I need to paint more red. get into all the little details, all the things no one's gonna probably see, all the things that are gonna be a little extra. These seats, they don't look very comfortable, but they're gonna have to work. Decals. Printing your own decals sounds amazing. Definitely not as easy as they try to make it sound. Well, that didn't go the way I wanted it to go. Thanks for watching the first Raven video. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell. I think as of this morning I'm at 962, so don't need that many more subscribers to go. Going to be doing the giveaway. Don't forget about that. At 1,000 subscribers I will schedule a live video and we will do a giveaway of all the items I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.
Customs where the cool kids go. We got action figures and a dash of flair. Custom paint jobs that'll make you stare. Toys on the table, colors in the air. 3D dreams printed with care. GI Customs, it's a wild ride. Paint in the past with the future by side. GI Customs toys come alive. Sit back, relax, it's where fun vibes thrive. We review the classics, we make them shine. Adding a twist to your favorite design.